All right, Transformers, we have Alissa here. Alissa's been doing amazing throughout our program. She's had a few setbacks here and there, but overall, she's seen some incredible results. And so thank you, Alissa, for hopping on the call and sharing a little bit of your fitness journey with us. And so to start us off, Alissa, like before our program, where were you on your fitness journey?
I'd say that I was at sort of a crossroads. I literally had come back from a journey away during COVID and was doing some personal training while I was away, but hadn't necessarily seen the results that I had hoped for at that time. So I came upon you through a post from a friend, decided that seemed like a good idea. And, I felt like, why wouldn't I jump in and give this program a try?
Absolutely. You've had other trainers in the past. You see the value of investing in your health. Anita's gone through the program, your friend, and she saw some
Yeah,
results. And so you saw her video and then you
yes,
jumped in. And so good
absolutely.
job for taking action. Totally not your fault that you gained the extra weight. COVID has made it really, really difficult to lose weight, right? Like we're quarantined, we're stuck at home. We can't go to the gym. Gyms are closing down, right? So it's made it very, very difficult to exercise regularly. Yet it's made it really easy to order, skip the dishes, and DoorDash and Uber Eats. So totally not your fault. But I'm happy that you found us. And since the program, what are some of the healthy habits that you've built?
So I'd say, and I completely agree with the COVID-15, and I'd say that I was probably maybe enjoying a little bit more wine than I had in the
Yes.
past. I'd also say though, and this is important for some of your potential future clients, I was dealing with some very stubborn perimenopause kind of weight issues. And it
Mhm.
was not necessarily due to bad choices of food, but just differences in metabolism and all of the kind of hormonal kind of things that regular exercise or consistent exercise and consistency in being accountable to, in my case, eating often enough to keep metabolism up, etc., or making the right choices at the right times. And
Mhm.
that
Mhm.
has been truly fantastic with your program.
Yeah, amazing. Like we all know generally what to do. We need to exercise more. We need to eat healthy, do it more consistently, right? But where I see a lot of people struggle is they're missing that accountability piece, right? If no one's watching, it's really easy to slack off. It's really easy to put exercise and nutrition, do it tomorrow, do it next week. And there's always a perfect time to start. I hear it all the time. I'll do it next week or next year or after Christmas or when I'm a little bit older or my kids a little bit older when I graduate school, right? All the excuses in the world, but you did something great. You took action. You weren't afraid to jump right in, and so great job with that. And you're right. You made a lot of healthy food choices along the way. You've been consistent with your exercises despite all the setbacks that you've had. And so share with us, Alissa, like what are some of the results that you achieved in our program so far?
So I'm really happy to say that, I was really excited, even right off the start, I can get up at 7 a.m. if I don't have to leave my home and jump into a workout program. And you're fantastic at keeping everyone motivated, including all of the people that are on Zoom. So if I just have to get out of my bed and walk into my workout space and start, that's super easy and less stressful. So I really
Yes.
appreciated the consistency of that. Also the commitment and the fact that someone or whoever, yourself and other participants are involved, and you have um, that commitment to someone else, right? Just it's more than yourself, right? It's a larger group than yourself. So I love that. I have absolutely no problem and enjoyed sending through the pictures of food and making the choices and having the consulting calls and that sort of thing. So I think all of the keys and all of the factors that you put together have been fantastic.
Yeah, great. Like going to the gym or hiring a trainer, it's great to have those sessions for sure. But we want to make it as easy as possible. And the simpler the plan, the better the execution. So if all you had to do is just log into Zoom, press the button, roll out of bed, join us for the workout, it makes it so easy. You got to
Exactly.
drive all the way like an half an hour to go see the trainer, and then you got to do your hair and change, and then afterwards drive home and shower and change again, and then head over to work. That's like 3 hours out of your day, right? So
Great.
the easier it is, the more convenient, the better the execution. It's just, so break it down for us. Like you've seen some really good results. Like if you don't mind sharing with everyone watching, how much weight have you lost in that time?
So I would say I was shockingly higher than I have been ever, other than being pregnant. So I'm happy to say that to date, I'm somewhere just under 30 pounds less than when
Yeah,
I
nice work.
started. Yeah,
That's
so it feels
amazing.
good. It absolutely feels good. More energy, the consistency, the kind of camaraderie is all a very large plus.
Amazing. 30 pounds down. That's like, if you have a 30-pound dumbbell, you'll know how heavy that is. So congratulations, losing that extra weight. And still not over yet. Still got some more ways to go, but you're definitely going to hit your ultimate goal for sure if you continue. And so I want to kind of start to wrap things up. And so for everyone, on the edge of, joining our program, but they're unsure, what would you say to them?
I'd say give it a try. Life's short, and why not just commit to the things that you think would be a benefit to you?
All right, that's right. You heard it from Alissa herself. And so for everyone watching, I want to make it even easier to try out our program. The first thing I'll leave you guys out with is my weight loss detox. It's my ebook. There's some simple recipes, 3-step formula to boost metabolism. Also, right now we have a 7-day promotion. You can try out our program for 7 days free. All you have to do is comment below PT, as in personal training, and then I'll make sure to give you a link to try out our program. And also, if you want a copy of this ebook, just comment below me and I'll send you a copy as well. So thanks so much, Alissa, for hopping on, and wishing you all the best of luck moving forward.
My pleasure, Patrick. Thank you.